Whoa, bro, they have firecrackers. Oh nah, bro, they're up there. My suspension is coming off. We're going to the JoyOnWheels Rideout with JoyOnWheels.
Subscribe to this guy, he deserves it.
No friends today because none of them want to come, but I got a better friend today.
Yo, no worry, dude, I organized the Rideout for us.
Bro, riding the huge bike.
It's not an bike. This is a bike.
It's huge.
Crazy.
Bro, those brake levers look like motorcycle brakes.
Yeah, they are motorcycle brakes. I mean, bro, 300 millimeters.
Oh shit.
Yo, dude, we should race.
Race? Alright.
Quick race. Are you on dual motors?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yo!
Dude, how much do you weigh?
55 kilos.
55 kilos, I weigh 100.
I have a thick jacket, that's why.
Jacket, yeah, it's making it more tough.
Bro, this bike got brake discs on both sides. I don't think this bike is too wheeliable because of the geometry.
Yeah, ain't no way this thing can be wheelie. I'm expecting around 60 to 65 kilos, maybe 67.
6'7". This looks like a motorcycle.
Feels like a motorcycle.
But I once pulled a Xiaomi with a dual motor e-scooter. Like I tied it with a lock to my scooter to pull the Xiaomi. And the lock broke. I'm trying to go more on single because I don't have a full battery because I forgot to charge it. Yo, no hands. Do you wanna take a shortcut?
Yeah, shortcut.
Bro, it's so weird hearing a bike this size have hub noise. This is not supposed to be pedaled. Now this bike will cause an earthquake at a jump.
I don't think I'm gonna jump with it.
Nah, it's too heavy.
Hell no.
This bike is not for jumping. It's not a Saron. What was that? Bro, I thought you crashed. Whoa. Your tire smoked a little. Do you wanna take a shortcut again?
Shortcut, yeah. Big boy! What do you mean it's ugly?
Look at that green!
Where do we go?
Bucharest. No.
Bucharest.
I came here on the bike from my city. And I still have full battery.
Bro, I for real thought you're gonna come with a Dualtron.
Would have been fun.
Yeah.
The door.
Yo! JoyOnWheels transportation. Now go take your
Can you
scooter.
record me while I'm carrying this guy?
I'll do it from that side. Now go take your scooter, bro. Bro, did you see that Xiaomi?
I saw it.
The front forks were bent.
It was like a zigzag.
Bro, that's unrideable.
Nah, hell no.
Wheeling the G2 Master. Damn, bro, this G2 Pro looks brand new. Whoa. God damn, bro, has no mercy on that bike. Yeah.
Wanna trade?
Alright, okay, just don't torture it.
I wanna wheel the G2 Master, man.
Be careful. Damn, bro. What is this bike? Yo, Joy's wheeling my scooter. Damn, bro, this bike is comfy and it got torque. Yo, this bike is kinda comfy.
You like it?
Yeah,
It feels like a horse, right?
yeah.
Crazy G2 Master, let's go.
Only if it was wheeliable.
Only if it was wheelable.
Oh shit, hold on. Let me put my handlebars back down.
I overclocked your handlebar.
Yeah, overclock. Bro, I'm not used to riding the bike anymore. Bro, even on single motor, that bike has torque. Bro, what are we doing? Racetrack. Bro, we are so many. Let's hope the police don't catch us. Whoa! Oh my days, that car is dead. That car is cooked! Burnt oil, bro. Yeah, Joy, I don't know how you're gonna do this.
I'm gonna do it. I'm worried about you guys.
Oh man, I can't do this, can I? How should I carry this?
Yeah.
I'ma just do this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bro, this looks atrocious. Bro, you almost feel nothing on the G2 Master on off-road. This scooter feels awesome on off-road. Yo, Joy, some guys stopped to jump on the trail.
Well, I guess they're gonna come back to us.
Yeah.
Good.
Joy,
It just cannot get more Balkan than this.
Oh yeah, now I definitely can see my display. Oh yes, now my battery level is a mystery. Yo, you're gonna get stuck.
I don't even need a kickstand, that's how stuck I am.
Damn, bro. This is crazy. Bro, what are we doing here? That's my scooter right there.
We are too many on the ramp.
Yeah.
come back. We trusted.
Oh, damn. Definitely not dangerous.
Not dangerous.
No.
Nah. Looking clean. No. Okay, let's go.
Down.
Come on. This thing will break. I don't know. Whoa, bro, they have firecrackers.
Video about.
Oh nah, bro, they're up there. Yeah, that's not dangerous at all. Nah, that's fine.
It's very safe.
Bro.
Parachute.
Yo, duck.
You like my duck?
That's tough.
Yeah, crazy.
God damn! That was loud, bro. Whoa! Yeah! I'm used to the G2 Pro.
Oh, you had the G2 Pro?
That's my old scooter. I've been riding the G2 Pro for like 2 years, bro. We're blocking the traffic, bro. God damn. Yo! Motorbikes. These bikes are so tough, bro. This shit will be a rocket once I put a vest on it. Bro is pedaling. Oh man. I bet every scooter here is legal. I had to change the battery of the GoPro. I still have some battery, like half, 50 volts.
That's perfect.
Bro, they are spinning.
Am I on?
That guy's mad. We're gonna beef with the security guy again. Yo, what's up, old man? Yo, I wanna climb this crane. Yo, Joy, crazy video idea. Let's climb that crane.
Bro. Yes, not getting monetized.
That would be insane. I hope the G2 Master will hold up. I mean the battery, because I forgot to charge it. Allen keys ASAP.
Whoa.
My suspension is coming off. Fixed my scooter. This bolt came off. Oh wait, I know that road. I've done a flyby before on that road.
Yeah?
It's a really long road. Oh, the voltage sag is insane. Well, actually, the voltage sag is not that insane. I've seen worse, like Ethics scooter, which has a shunt mode. 10 volt voltage sag. 10 volt voltage sag is diabolical.
I can literally do push-ups on this bike.
People are already leaving. Whoa! Damn! Crazy wheelie, bro!
1 kilometer of wheeling, man.
Let's wait for the others. This is what living the life looks like, bro. But the G2 Master is so stable. I'm riding with one hand. God damn, those brakes sound amazing, bro. No mercy on the tire. A while back is the place where a friend fell with my G2 Pro and he ended up in the hospital.
Oh.
It was just a 30 km/h crash, but he hit his head.
Oh.
The G2 Pro is quite unstable, bro. He had wobble at 30 km/h. Bro, I did 25 kilometers with the G2 Master and it had like, I don't know how much better it had. Bro, this guy just did a burnout. Look at my scooter.
like Sahara.
So dusty, bro. So many scooters. The G2 Master and Joy's rocket bike. So many scooters, bro. Yeah, so I would say the G2 Master lasts about 50 kilometers. Looking clean though. It's not very clean now.